Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using AI video, and it's completely free. So if you are a student, if you are a job holder and you want to start your side hustle, so this video for you. So in 2025, making money online isn't tough if you do smartly, because different kind of AI tools can help you to grow your different kind of social media platform, and you can produce videos like services on products, and then you can promote this kind of product. You can make affiliate money, and then you can post on YouTube, TikTok and other social media platform like Instagram as a shorts video, long video. You can post on a reels. Particularly in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create product AI video, Amazon product AI video, and then you can upload into your YouTube channel and you can promote this product. So how it's work? So number one is you have to set up your YouTube account, and simultaneously you can create a TikTok account or Facebook page and Instagram account. Okay, so initially we'll focus on YouTube, because YouTube is the second largest search engine. So people are coming here and they are always to search like best juice machine, okay, in 2025. And also you will find the long format video. Okay, and how it's gonna make money? This account, it's a, you can see 1 year ago 1.1 million views. It's a smoothie maker. Okay, and you will see a Amazon account, and if viewers click on this account and they buy from this and they buy from Amazon, this person will make money. Okay, so this is the way we can do, and it's very easy, very simple, and don't worry at all. You don't have to spend a lot of money, time, and also you don't need to high skill. Okay, so creating this kind of videos and making money, so I will show you step by step, no problem. Okay, so first of all you have to create a YouTube account. So already if you have a Gmail account, so you can set up and you can create. It's pretty simple and free. You can create your YouTube channel. All right, and the second step is we have to find the best product on Amazon. Okay, so what kind of product do you want to promote? Okay, so it's called a niche. So you have to identify your niche. You can promote multiple products, but if your channel and if your product is a niche base, so that would be great marketing, because it's a targeted marketing. Okay, like let's say we're going to produce a mixer or juice maker. Okay, so you can see juice machine and you will see the products over here. So this is the first section. It's a sponsored, so we don't need to find a sponsored. We're just looking for best one. All right, and you will find our pick. That's been products highlighted as overall pick are like purchased often, written frequently, and rated 4 stars. And another one is its bestseller. Okay, and the USD $99. So we are just finding our best product. That's mean we want to promote this product. And third step is you have to create this product video. Okay, so how we can do this? It's pretty simple. We can use different AI tools, and we're going to use a tools. It's a Jog AI. Okay, so let's check their features. You will see photo avatar, AI ad generator, image to video, and most important URL to video. That's what we're looking for. Okay, all right, so turn product link to engaging videos in a minutes. Okay, so let's open this link, and this is the URL to video ad maker. Okay, so sign up with your Gmail account. It's free. You can get a free trial. Also you can use your credit card as a trial, but don't need to spend any money. Okay, so also you can check out their shorts ads, different kind of long videos. Okay, you can create courses, local businesses, social media service, business health. All right, so this is the pretty simple. It's a URL to video ad maker, so making engaging video ads for your product with a few clicks. So let's copy our product URL. This is the Amazon product URL, and then go back to the Jog AI and paste it here. Okay, and just click on analyze the URL. All right, and the second step is you have to select the materials to use. That's mean the product images that you already have into the product page. All right, so as you can see, the analysis completed. That's mean all the images and videos AI analyzed and it's completed, and you can select the 15 seconds video or long. Okay, so let's click on next. All right, it's time to add a script. Choose your favorite script. It's a AI script. Okay, it's a story time, light marketing, discovery. All right, so let's click on this one, second one, and click on next. All right, so choose a template. That's mean start with AI. Also you can select a template. So I'm going to select this one, start with AI. Alright guys, this is the section where you can add some visual styles, like you can add a template. Also you can add some music and select this one. I think this one is perfect. Okay, all right, and I will see this video already changed. Okay,
Watermelon.
so let's click on music. So you can add some music over there, and you can change the voiceover. That's mean the very excited. Okay, it's a Kelly and very excited. It's a AI voices, so you can select from here. So I'm just going to keep as it is, Kelly very excited. Okay, to render video, so click on render video. So generate AI video, so you need credits. So as a free account you will get free credits, don't worry. So click on submit. So we can download from here. So let's click on three dots and click on download. All right, so it's time to watch the video. So let's play the video.
Ever tried squeezing a watermelon by hand? Spoiler, it's a juicy disaster. Meet the juicer with a 5.4-inch chute. No more fruit wrestling. 400W motor whispers, relax, I've got this. Juice in a jiffy, masticating technology, because your juice deserves a slow dance. Introducing the Ian Oruis Juicer, your kitchen's new superhero.
So it's time to upload into our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's open the YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can give a title, description, how you can add some tags. All right, so this is the video that's are already uploading, 91% done. So let's copy the video title, copy the title, and then go back to YouTube channel. And here's the best things, add some, so you can use vidIQ and TubeBuddy to getting some more tags. That's when people are searching using this kind of keywords, best juicer machine. Okay, and most important checks, that's mean copyright, no issues found. That's mean it's okay to upload into your YouTube channel by creating different kind of AI videos. Okay, then click on next, and if you want to upload right now, then click on public and save. And alright guys, and this is the process. So maybe you are thinking how we can make money. That's mean how the people can buy this product. Definitely you have to find the product URL. That's mean Amazon URL, and you will see in the bottom like become an affiliate. So click on become an affiliate. All right, and the last step is you have to sign up Amazon associated. That means recommend products, earn commissions. Okay, just sign up, recommend, and earn. You can earn up to 10% associate commissions. Okay, all right, so who can join this program? Like blogger, publishers, content creators, okay, website, mobile apps. It's pretty simple. Just click on sign up and just follow the step, and once you complete it, you will get a URL. That's mean each and every product you will get a product URL, affiliate account URL, and you will add into your YouTube video description. Okay, so this is how the process works, and you can follow these steps. And I hope if you do this regularly, that's mean you can publish one video in a day. That's mean 30 videos. All right, so and also you can product 30 products, and you will get slowly and surely get more views, and you will get some commissions, because people are always searching their problems. People are always searching the different kind of products. Okay, they buy from Amazon, that because people love Amazon. So this is the easiest way you can make money on online in 2025, promoting Amazon product using different kind of AI videos. Okay guys, so if you found this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. So I will come back with new tutorials. So see you in the next video.